Now here we have a lovely Honda NSR250 MC18. As you can see, this bike's slightly modified in that it's got a metallic black painted frame and a gold rear wheel. Now that gold rear wheel is a Magtech, which is Honda's own magnesium wheel. Now you could either paint the front to match the back or paint the back to match the front, but it's a nice thing to have a lighter back wheel. Now, it's sold as a project bike, and by that I mean it needs a little bit of work to the bodywork and general finishing. The seat unit is all complete with some marks and signs of wear and tear. The tank is rust-free inside, absolutely in perfect condition, but has a dent and a scratch on the side. The lower's had some damage, but it's the top fairing that's bad, and the screen. Now, this will repair. Specialist repairer can do that for you. Or if you're keen enough, you could do it yourself, or find a second-hand one. You know, they are out there on eBay and various websites. Now, the 2 or 3 ways to deal with this bike as far as there's restoring it. Go for the completely standard route, find all the original panels, paint it in the colours, and there you go. You can go the Chinese aftermarket body kit route. The quality of the bodywork is getting better and better. Or personally, I'd probably go the Tiger route and go for an RS replica paint kit, body kit with paint, some cool pipes, and build yourself a lovely RS250 road-going race bike. Now, all the good parts are on here. It's nice to see the back mudguard with all the indicators there. Usually they're cut off. And generally, the bike is all there and complete. Now, the mileage is 37,647 kilometres, and that's about 26,000, just under 27,000 miles. She starts well, as you can hear. You've got to love 2 strokes. And as just mentioned, the bike will be supplied registered and age-related plates. So that means we'll service the engine, service the brakes, new pads. Mechanically, it'll be spot on, but it will be up to you to deal with the cosmetics. Now, these bikes are incredibly hard to buy in Japan now. Perfect examples are costing more than they can be sold for in the West. The ones that are left either tend to be missing a lot of parts or in such bad condition, I just can't buy them. So as we sell the last of the NSRs and TZRs and all the 2-strokes, that will be the end of them. We won't be bringing any more in because they're simply not available. So if you're looking for a cool, classic 2-stroke to restore and build into something special, this is the one for you. So we look forward to hearing from you. And if you have any questions, just contact us. Thank you.